petition here the call no ya fa nko se omuntwa free SHS mu
okay
ya the call say omumienye say the beboa the future of this nation enti adenti na de Ghana sika hwe Ghana for na ebi da boarding omini 3 times a day na ebi nso ko day omu de na omabusuafo na mom sika de for car the all call boarding no yenya de ko school mu ha say 3 months no be dia on fa car but the whole fie no obefa car every day bia cha de no be day no is it free or not free say ya won son ya yenyai enuntina me I was the first person to praise current president and man no see community day schools you know maybe when you say free SHS is good say we bridge the gap between the rich and the poor is good but say you say I think it true and making sure the implementation will not be a problem no yanye because it was a political campaign free SHS by SHS for because we corner labor look at the stress involved yes say a as of mine yenye stakeholder consultation obia fa na dwemra e die ne be ya e be boa ama free SHS no etumpon na boa obia momienya source of funds e bia e betwa free SHS fund Ghana ni bia and contribute to 1 cedi every month unim say ye sa free SHS buy enkofo a omanyem doso pa because omuko hind dan ya wan na show so omo no mbo mo bra
I was saying say about 2024 my NPP4 LUC my NDC any power ya sabi the wo man na dey ba ko ya Ghana for bi e che say nam so my NPP4 LUC aba no e free SHS a wo de ba ya Ghana for kan ye say free SHS ne de eye de na so wo nya review wo ho wo mo kan ye amaka eno nam so e na Ghana for ni bi e che say e ma NPP4 e opposition na sabi ya NDC4 so ba Ghana for bi a sign e call for the same review wo che say NDC4 national review na wo mo kan wo ma anya wo kwa de betimi akose financial loss e de ama wo man no enti be ya wo mo hwe sa free SHS na free nyema bi a e ka ho nso wo mo form attention e kwa wo se be ye na wo man da chi betimi abo ho ban ene mensa kan pastor Sifaya wo ye National Association of Concerned Clergy the Secretary General Edmasa Kono e wo menche wo ha ye ne bedi nkomo na ansa na be ko no me kai wo se e ye back setera e na asomasene e mam di medie e bro back setera e ye dwuko a womo ton bags apapa ye de leather papa na aye womo kaso kakraba womo KFC no na edi enhwemu numbers no go screen as be bia woko e ho bag no bag secretary ebenya edi amount me say wo bre no kam ho ne ko pastor bona fi ye ni nkomo pastor wa kwaba
na josumi na ba
bia woko de
na me adom na mo pai bo bia woko pa na nkopon divine selection kan so the make can bonu menu bi kumase ayame de yo ba ko dan nyame ene o ba ko da ban enti e ko da ye dan nyame but ye sori aye da ban se rade am ya sori de se de ye da ban no enti e he da ban be ya man
okay ene na ye da ban ne ye hwe ni aban ne be ya man na aban so ba power no 9 months ni mi bisa se 9 months NDC ba power no o assess na obeka ne se
to me 9 months metimi ama NDC for 85%.
Okay.
In a sense, obi aba abamu within 9 months. Yenya scandal bia na minim say ye betime nya aban bia within 8 months yenya scandal da.
Okay.
Enti meka say omobo mo homoden. But say ye John Dramani Mahama e betime aso CD a enyo no but na boafo.
Okay.
Enyo no per se but na boafo. Esanse wa me ati ase oba beja legacy na wako enti ono no de se oba beja dimpa se de be ya ye ka kwa me nkoma ide ne dim be ka ho
okay
enti na boafo no na betimi aboa ne yie se de be ya de ono ne vision de by so all reset Ghana no obetimi a reset ti enim se ye koso abompa ye ma no ewade ma na hoden na onkoso anya dwuma pa e ma Ghana
okay. And she said, Okasa will ma NDC 85%. The other say a school them no person control on social and pass mark now the amano. And yes, I Ghana force a woman who nyajuni say Abanya wa says normal 85%. Now what petition across onye bibi fa free SHS no enye olokwa po na introduce sa policy no ya ban dada na de buy na ugina ne kon so sa no Ghana for chess wo no wonya adwene o
me da se me aba enye bibia na aka wo Ghana ha obi no be ya adwen
okay
ma tore bi wo ha wo hwe de ekoso na de aye wa de ye ka se enye no introduce ya Meaning to many Adentia in 2012 to 2016 or the progressive free SHS buy.
Okay.
It means or contribute to part of the Yababetui.
Okay.
Anna Waba Bemuda.
Okay.
Waba president da. And ya fe no Baba president. Waba president da. Intakumia what na so that there. Unim say me fa abeboa me fa abeboa because say 8 years in opposition no or assessing me wuni mistakes and also or some back
okay
into some go focus petition no money anya dwen a enye bibia na obi no be adwen and also nche say menye de opesa wo ye
okay
petition e de call ye no ya fa nko so omuntwa free SHS mu
okay
ya de call say omu enye na enye ni say de beboa the future of this nation. I don't know. Remember,
Papa.
Second is Ghana from the Ghana for.
Okay.
It is the Ghana capture Ghana for there. A dentina will be called that body, no being so code. Are we being fair to all the people?
Say Obi kwada body, no be a kwada day. And no nye.
Ghana scan your nation.
Say I will
be kwada body in 3 days. First in a new school, that body, no muchia, Cassia. Eso mo nkode ananye za na netie sa na netie necessary ayi nyina aja to be say yamfa Ghana sika hwe Ghana fo nyina de a it means say ebe equal share say nyina da body nyina ekode ana okay fine enti adenti na de Ghana sika hwe Ghana fo na ebi da body o me 3 times a day na ebi nso kode o mo de na omabusuafo na mom sika de fo car de okọ body no Inya de ko school mu a se 3 months no be dia on fa car but the one fie no obefa car every day bia cha the no be day no is it free or not free
pastor so what kind of sound so there we beka say ye be hwe facility wise ye facility ne no so sa se ye betima ma Ghana students ni na aba be ye borders so mu nyina nko ye boarding school and na biom so free no day students no eya na eye optional at the can't choosing of schools in order to say, what choose school now? Yes, show community now, woman, no choose day by Quacamo. Nakobana said, schools now will choose any boarding schools, and flower, because our day school, and then yes,
Million Darcy. And the past workers as it was optional. Into optional, they are this particular placement of Muye.
Okay.
Obi free Accra. Yet not a to tepa. The record to tepa is a money day. At the end of the day, everything a bush for behind dying.
Okay.
That is 1. 2. So when you're closer to the years of a card, they are. And to send the pacono or free education.
Okay.
Let me go what I say. Share the thing I say ya one sonya. That is what I believe. Say ya one son say Bamadia. And Nuntina, me, I was the first person to praise current president. And now no see community day schools, you know.
Okay.
Because see any facility accommodate Ghana for near the Sika Shomu, near maybe a that board, near maybe a day. Let me say we are not being fair to all Ghanaians. And I personally think say ebeya 1 ye review. Na say omo that board no. You be more the up. Fair enough. Government in Ghana address okay. Ghana for school for you bet na boy will be 1,000 Ghana cedis.
Okay.
Next school no access okay. Say ma be that board na say na obet your account. Say ma be that board say na bet me to omo mpe board no. Omo go to ya no mo nyeda. Omo go da. No mo go dey no. Omo so omo dey omo ni Omabusian force, but ye case ye the Ghana for sika na ehwe Ghana ni. Ni me bia kwakwada body ye me bia kodea. Emwa at the same time uko school mu wa. almost 120 students. Our class back.
Okay.
Overcrowded.
Okay.
On the day, the teacher mentioned us. So at the end of the day, though a free there, but you don't move out, you know. They are educated illiterates. Do sapepepe. Go school there, but to me share.
Quality.
What is it? And you say, and I'm going to say, Yanka so omuncha free SHSMU.
Okay.
But you say there's no fairness in what they are doing. Because you have to fair they are. You go body. You go there and you go there. See, a member body need the abamudia, and you make sure the government and then say, okay, you better me to moka 1,000 Ghana cedis. A member student be 1,000 Ghana cedis a term. And the schools, you know, what they know, moka mo in a muisa fee in a boom, I say, they be 500. Okay, 500 in the one person put that body, no, my upper partners or my name to amount. At the end of the day, no, Ubemuni say, we are being fair. But say you could be 2,000. So on that body. Now the same time you could be so 1,000 so on that uncle day. None of my money is come from Faka de Bia. Ubemuni say, Joko, they know. You calculate here. Nene Diano, a bit higher than the other body. Because Obiti, Nungwa, no, but a Odogo say here, Obefakas too.
Okay.
It's in and out. We have to in and out. Every day there are 20 Ghana series and the parents in the manner without feeding now. 20 times 30 ASN.
A cababre.
And that means the purpose of say, my money free education, no. And yes, I net here.
Okay.
2. And now near your school, no, I need your fees, no. Near and top prior 10, prior 8, prior honor, and I near top.
Okay.
Because it's your fees. It's your first money. But prospectus here the more than say to see a book. You see I'm top prior 10, prior 10 here, prior honor.
Okay.
Obi more boy. Yako school no. Na yen top liquid soup.
Okay.
And then omo top.
Okay.
Yako school no. Yen top A4 sheet and omo ko school the co.
Okay.
So what is free about this?
Okay.
And we should be sir. Mama be anye straightforward. Ye won ye say I didn't see free no. Enye free.
Pastor Sifa yenhwe ne say ade ba ko ana MPP4 at that time edi free SHS ne ba wo mo kan ne so mo pese enyafo mba ene esikafo mba wo mu nyina eyepe ye hwe bra na school fees no ho na ne yetua na grade A schools na boarding schools ni schools akese ni bo Ghana ha sabi obi owo otwen be wiate onya kwan ko hobi because ne ne papa wo sika ne be kura na wantwa na so sense papa wo sika nti watimi akwa kutua am ya fa ne ba no ho na hia ni wa mobro ni ba no otimi twa ye ne de wenye sika amfa nkwa kutua school fees nti no otifie de ne kura wantimi so ankobi enti free ne ba ye no ene abefra wo bia se wo twa yo se wantwa yo mo grade bi edura ene wo nya school but se wotimi bo wo modi wura sa grade mu nko ade a se tie bia wo benya school akọ enti ye be ye ne se ene okay ye twa 1,000 Ghana de ato ho e de ama student bia awofo na afọ ma de so so enye in a way ye san ma sika fo ma na asa be bu kama fa ehia fo ma ne so wo mo ni sika no be san kwete na fi
Wouldn't say free SHS you need direct source of funds edition.
Okay.
At the end of the day, you can ya ya ko pick sika free and ya ko pick sika free and ya ko pick sika free and ya ko pick sika free. So ya then and you think it true. Anka esika for na edwe so mu kruma no mu sika no. You bet me afa kwan bi so. Amoma contribute just to help the free SHS.
Okay.
The mechanic say the case grade A school and then why. Achimota.
Okay.
Presec. Prempe. One man here grade A school.
Okay.
And for now student no warning the man here grade A. And the who told you say odo go no ntimi man grade A. Minimum bia okọ Achimota. Wenta no be call odo go no. Oye medical doctor. In that aspect in the mayenka. Ye ni pana na ya ma school bia ye school. And I have say you didn't certain schools be. But so bit me ko school more amana grade A also ya do ko ha obet me so amana e dey grade A. Tell me what I say. Enti at the end of the day no when who you say free SHS is good. Say we bridge the gap between the rich and the poor is good. But say you say I think it true and making sure the implementation will not be a problem no because it was a political campaign.
Okay.
Enti yenye said ye be ya ye di benya say yaka yenye it's like this for say 24-hour economy platform which are kind just to think through sit down with educationists no mu hu ni yes adiwe ye nsi ebebo ye nsi ebebo ama enunti na yetinya punch holes ewo mu no senye sa anke timi punch holes when you punches ya mo ni yes ebinum ko de ebinum ko boarding enye fair 2 teacher ni back ejira almost 120 students ni mo kira there look at the stress free SHS by we say teachers for omo makwan because we corner way back look at the stress involved but eya there na ke hu ni yes da bi enye yentra say ne hu ni yes ye free SHS ba schools enipa enkwara be school kase enti ye make sure say ye starting to see lecture halls big say the be ya oko university enipa be ti mi be 500 lecture hall no sunti omunya ho near the microphone amom ye den lecturers for no etimi kase obi ate oko secondary school it's not like that.
Okay.
Na teacher ni ehwe mark almost 60 80 100 student papers. Oh, and see a person ye na boa o man no eda achi dia. E say ya tiase as o man. Yenye stakeholder consultation. Obi afa na dwemra. E die ne ebe ya ebe boa ama fresh SHS no etumpon na boa obi a.
Okay.
Because here ni na o ka che ne say onunti ana ye fresh SHS no. Prospectus adema no is almost 4,000 5,000 ogonye scanner
prospectus no de eno no schools na a draft on prospectus edeba
if we get education service na debra any school na deba for now what I know I stand to be corrected headmaster be catch me say prospectus on dem ma enkola no omo di free Ministry of Education eba ami hu sa dem ma we na omonto A4 sheet omonto titia hono ho pretenten omonto liquid soap omonto parazone any and the ateno yeli na so baba boano no okunye scan way at the end of the day asofo ya de bre because obaya sorry oko school eso pesika na de den odi toto sa ne ma we man it mean say I didn't say you free no enye free dey can they can't say dey free ufa untade na ukwana
but pastor said Branson na school fees no na na etua na school fees no na prospectus so why to ne maka ho
enu no na nye ti se we say na mka to say set up no ne ento priority apa ho ne wo enu no beto okomodia wo beto bed sheet na wato with bucket ni ade na wo di betware no but let me count say but see an ne mom bia beka ho me ko school me ma to A4 sheet da man to priority apa ho no order what I say man fa ho anko school da man fa A4 sheet anko school da man fa liquid soap anko school da man fa parazone anko school da but any na ka but first in there over to cigarette sandals adeko any kaki nya ade no eno dey normal but any man ba be ka ho no amate si ano senka utu fees kwa na anka is better that but here the bicycle the baba bro nya for no but at the end of the day prospectus the bomb no nya for na say the baba bomb e bit me to
okay
at the end of the day and go for more community MPs for the bre say ya duru aya hu mo say MPs for na ba go touch boss no ma ba go to trunk no be ama on community school no senka of parents e want that e na nko MP for no be
okay
abi enti say ade ni free dia mo me nya source of funds say e bia e betwa free SHS fund Ghana Nibia and contribute to 1 cedi every month just for the purpose of free SHS. And you'll be able to contribute to 1 cedi. If you want to make 1 million, if you want to make 2 million, if you want to make 5 million, at the end of the day, no, ubenya solid money. What about boy free SHS?
Okay.
Send your beya free na ye kanu. Ebedimu. But see ade, me ni say free na ye kanu. Edimu.
Also for the prospectus as ma okay say na prospectus no GS the framework ne beba or the guideline ne beba say ebia afi prospectus ne say na etie na school no ebia ha ye gold SHS a me na school ne media na me na me head wo ho no me hwe ne school ni behia na media hye maka ho it is a prospectus no kodos no no ntimi blemo GS se wo mo e na e di twam ne prospectus amati awofo no so wo mo to ne momu no headmasters na akasa e de nyema ni bi ka ho framework na GS di aba no no mo aso de e hwe school no se ke school ye ni praye ye ni aso ye ni school dan ho ye fi blog bi ebubu ha no mo ade nyema ni bi aka ho nte eno no sa no enye breso se o se GS no e de prospectus back national prospectus eba chance on be just have free roll the other schools they say or one draft on the financial framework
se enunti na make se umanipa incha or the 2 inches the count
no I yard
no sir it's at the end of the day no say am ka say the dream say e free no any free
okay
what I say enti say betimi a na make am you need source of fund. Sure. President Kufodi, FQ. That is free compulsory education, basic education. Now for only primary school. But only free SHS by no, almost extending to SHS. Meanwhile, legally it's wrong.
Okay.
What is it? There are certain rules to be more. I'm going to say, saying something on political platform is different from the implementation.
Okay.
And not your political party see, or mind all these years are as a Ghana, baby, Janija, the piano, you comfort me punchy holes. Implementation, I did be a baby. Sure, young fa the Bianton. Free SHS is a good policy. But the air can say, yeah, review. Yeah, review now. The baby say, okay, Ghana for baby, the better than Yesika, I shall free SHS because they can just say a good.
Okay.
I don't know Ghana for much remember. I need to say, I buy yourself creative fund be. Busumi be what be a contribute to this fund. Near fund share man. I think say Ghana for be. I know better than say. Abana sorry, I know a petroleum commission fund, consolidated fund, one fund, no use careful. Or fund. That the end of the day, who can't be anymore? Who bear that? Who was now teachers for no headmasters for no, almost suppliers for action. But I didn't care fund do what? Only problem.
Okay. Pastor Sefaya Brenna so me mouse ma be mienu what the can kabako say abiding creative fund be ya Ghana for be contribute to that fund no e dem mienu mi ense bi na aka se ba ne say abiding ti okay or ye review wa fro se bra review ya wo yi fa onim de beboa na ade ba ko mienu mi ense bi abe suggest de ma abiding say so wo hwe no wo ya e beboa free suggestion.
You see, I believe say a man so say yes one yen hwe bibiti say community day schools.
Okay.
Abani sisi community biano. Se land wo ho a onsisi community day schools. Said ye beja ubi efa ne bag. It's a walking distance.
Okay.
Na on fa car because at the end of the day so ekwachiri and I make a my example. Akolebia ni issue. Ni maame ne papa nyina wakra. Akra no moto oyenkrani. Ya de na kotepa, ya de kotepa, ya man day. Behind that 1, 2. Unim say ye sa free SHS by enkofo a omanyem doso pa because omko behind that ya wan show so omo no mo bra nti I believe say enuti na ye dwen say be be do new review na community day opon ya pe okofie na busu afọ ho enye se yakwa ko hand ya ma no because anadwena ne maame no mada no obi nim bia ho ye eti community day school now make sure say ye bema Ghana for enwa atom na awofo so nwa atom because ebi no mfa ka omobre asofo obi se tam ya ebre pa
Pastor Medasipa Abusia ha na brema akwan me edi nkomo ne sie ne Pastor Sifa ene di nkomo no message so beja comment e comment section ko e dia mami all the social media platforms too much GH o subscribe no like no share na for so e bi ahwe me di e di dark gold e be essential